Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. I hope you are fine. You are watching my channel Kimsol by Shinwari. If you not have subscribed this channel, please subscribe it to get videos about chemistry lectures. Thank you very much. Let's start the MCQs of chapter number 5, that is the physical state of matter. And the question 1 is encircle the correct option. You will have to choose one of the options A, B, C and D. Number 1, which statement about the particles of a solid is not correct? Which statement about the solid is not correct? We will have to choose the statement which is not correct about the solids. Option A, they move at great speeds. Option B, they are arranged in regular pattern. Number C, there is very little space between the particles. Option D, the forces of attraction between the particles are very strong. Our option A is the right option because here it is written that they move at great speeds, but in fact the particles of solids do not move freely, they only vibrate. So this statement is not a correct statement. Option A is the right option. Question 2. The boiling points of some elements are given below. For example, argon minus 186 degrees C, nitrogen minus 196 degrees C, oxygen minus 183 degrees C, and xenon is minus 108 degrees centigrade. These are the boiling points. In the mixture of above gases at minus 210 degrees C, the temperature was heated by 20 degrees centigrade. Which of the elements will still be in liquid state? Students, these gases were mixed with each other and the temperature was kept at minus 210 degrees centigrade, so all were in liquid state. When the temperature was dropped by 20 degrees centigrade, it means the temperature was dropped by 190 degrees centigrade. Then which of the following gases will be in liquid state and which has been boiled or evaporated? So only nitrogen will be evaporated because the boiling point of nitrogen is minus 196 degrees C, which is very low. Since now the temperature is minus 190 degrees centigrade, it has not reached minus 186 or 183 or 108. That is why oxygen, xenon and argon will be in a liquid state. So our option is oxygen only. Option B, argon, oxygen and xenon. Option C, argon, nitrogen and xenon. Option D, xenon only. Our correct option is option B. The argon, oxygen and xenon will be in liquid state yet. Next, here is another question number 3. The following table shows the melting point and boiling point of 4 substances. That is substance A, B, C and D. Their melting points as well as boiling points are shown in the table. Which substance is a solid at room temperature? So remember, the substance whose melting point is higher than room temperature will be in solid state. Option A is A, option B, B, option C, substance C, and option D, substance D. The correct option is D, because the melting point of substance D is 36 degrees C. It will be in solid state at room temperature if the melting point is 0 or -6 or less than -186. These all will be in gaseous state. Only the substance D, whose melting point is 36 degrees centigrade, that is above the room temperature, that will be in a solid state. It has not melted yet. The next question: in which of the following processes the speed of the particles decreases? Option A, melting. Option B, boiling. Option C, sublimation. Option D, condensation. Our correct option is D, condensation, because during condensation process the particles come close together, the vapors are converted into liquid state, so the speed of the particles decreases, or it is lowered. Next, another question, number 5. Consider the following table. Serial number 1, 2, 3 and 4. X values are given as 1.00, 1.37, 1.73 and 2.10. Y values are given 273, 373, 473 and 573. In the third column are given X over Y. It means the ratio between X and Y is given, and in each case the ratio is 0.037, 0.037 each. It means the ratio remains constant. Which of the following relationship does this table represent? Option A, X is directly proportional to Y. Option B, X is equal to Y. Option C, X is inversely proportional to Y. And option D, X is equal to 1 over Y. Our correct option is A, because this in fact shows the Charles' law, where the volume and temperature are directly proportional to each other, and we know that V over T is always constant, so X over Y will remain constant, and this will show the Charles' law. So our option A is the correct option, where X is directly proportional to Y, just like volume is directly proportional to temperature, so V over T will remain constant. Number 6. A liquid boils when its vapor pressure becomes equal to: option A, 760 centimeter of mercury. Option B, 1 Pascal. Option C, 101.325 kilopascals. Option D, 0.1 atmospheres. So the correct option is C, because 101.325 kilopascal is the normal pressure of the air, or atmospheric pressure, and any liquid will boil when its vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, that is 101.325 kilopascals. So our option C is the correct option. Next, number 7. Acetone melts at -94 degrees C and boils at 56 degrees centigrade. What is the physical state of acetone at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atm pressure? Option A, gas. Option B, liquid. Option C, gas. And option D cannot be predicted. Our correct option is B, because you see that the melting point is -94 degrees centigrade. Since the temperature given is 25 degrees C, so it will be in molten state. The boiling point is 56 degrees centigrade, so it has not still boiled, because at 25 degrees centigrade it will be in the liquid state. So option B is the correct option. Number 8. Water normally boils at 800 degrees centigrade, but it is possible for water to boil at room temperature. What variable would you have to change to do this? Students, water boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade, but it can be boiled at room temperature, means at low temperature, and this happens only if the pressure is decreased. Under decreased or reduced pressure, the liquids boil before their boiling points or below their boiling points. Option A, increase external pressure. Option B, decrease external pressure. Option C, decrease temperature. And option D, none of these. Our correct option is option B, because when we decrease the external pressure, the boiling point will decrease to 25 degrees centigrade. Number 9. Bromine has melting point of -7 degrees centigrade and boiling point of 59 degrees centigrade. What is the physical state of bromine at 100 degrees centigrade? Students, you see the boiling point is 59 degrees C. So at 100 degrees centigrade, definitely it will be in gaseous state. So option A, gas. Option B, liquid. Option C, solid. And option D cannot be predicted. Our answer is A, that is gas, because its boiling point is 59 and now it is kept at 100 degrees C. So at 100 it will be in gaseous state, means in boiled state. Number 10. Which is not the property of crystalline solids? Option A, have well-defined shape. This is the property. Option B, have orderly arrangement of particles. Yes, this is also the property. Option C, have repeating three-dimensional arrangement of particles. Yes, this is also the property. Option D, these are generally soft. This is not the property of crystalline solids, because the crystalline solids are always solid and they are hard materials. So the correct option is option D. These are generally soft. No, this is not true. That's why the option D is the correct option. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel if this video is beneficial for you, and write comments in the comment box. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.